Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on DOOGEE DK10. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. So as far as I see, there's one speaker right here, another one on the other side, and the last one is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from at least two sources, that's a stereo speaker. Now let's test it out. Okay, so as far as I've checked, this is kind of weird, but the sound is coming only from this speaker right here. Nothing comes from this side. For some reason, maybe this phone is broken. You can check it on yours if you like. And there's also no sound coming from a phone call speaker, which would confirm that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.